Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and for today's tutorial, I was thinking of spring and Easter, and these yummy fun colors just spoke to the inner child in me. For this tutorial, you will need polymer clay, a heart and sun cutter, tiny hole punchers, a detail needle, a clay blade, and a clay roller. The first design that I made is a strawberry slab. As always, we need to first condition our slab. The slab should be rolled out into the number 3 setting. For the accent colors, roll each out into the number 6 or 7 setting. Because this design is for kids, we want to use a lot of colors. We're punching hearts on each of the accent colors. Remember that when you're using cutters, make sure you add even pressure on all sides to get a clean cut. When all the hearts have been punched out, it's time to punch out the calyx or the crown of the strawberry using the sun-shaped cutter. Now, I laid out the hearts on the slab in alternating colors. Then I go back with a detail needle to make indents to represent the seeds of the strawberry. I also use a detail needle again to score the lines on the calyx. For the second design, I derived inspiration from the Cath Kidston mushroom bags that I saw. First, I conditioned my slab and rolled it out into the number 3 setting. Then I started rolling out the stems by making short logs and forming them into different heights. Then, I rolled out the accent colors into the number 7 setting. I used an oval shape to cut out the mushroom heads. I sliced each of the mushroom heads in half. Then, I begin to assemble the stem and the head.
Solid connection, solid object.
This should have opened the whole thing up and it should have led to the detection. It didn't. Another blind guy, all of those. We're strong with a job to find something that might assist in the inquiry.
I was 23 years old, doing my normal everyday policing, and waiting to be pointed as a detective. A killer was watched, and everyone had a role to play. With the nature of where the murders were happening and the victims, the red light areas were clearly vulnerable areas in terms of the kill striking people. I was part of an undercover operation in the red light area, recording the courage-stricken details of cars that were coming in the single man, driving through the area cruising. One of us was shouting names out of cargo mass, and the other colleague was scratching them down on a piece of paper. It was staggering, the numbers. We were just amazed. Car after car. Thousands upon thousands. I thought, well, actually, times the number of people coming through it.
George Oldfield knows as much as any detective in Britain about catching killers. But he's met his match. From this incident room that leads to police station, he directs a team of 270 men, all of them working full-time on the search for the river.
The incident room was absolutely busy. The whole building was just taken over by manpower.
To make the dots on the mushroom, I used my smallest circular cutter.
Carefully place each dot on the mushroom head.
And that is it from my spring slabs. I hope that when you look at it, it puts a smile to your face. It's a craft that you can definitely do with your kids, and I'm sure that they'll appreciate the fun colors that you incorporated into it. I hope that you're enjoying the series, and if you do like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Craft Time Studio. See you next week and bye!